Lathe chucks provide quick, sturdy, and accurate centering for bowl blanks and turning squares on a lathe. With the wide range of chucks and accessories on the market, selecting and purchasing one can be confusing. To alleviate your concerns, we selected 3 popular Penn State Industries chucks and discussed their basic features. A lathe chuck consists of several parts and commonly supports numerous accessories. To better understand chucks, learn the purpose of the components. At its most basic, a chuck consists of a body, jaw slides, and jaws. The main section, or body of a chuck, threads onto the lathe headstock spindle. Determine the threading on your headstock spindle and select the appropriate mating threading for your chuck. The spindle size is expressed in diameter and thread count. Most lathe headstock spindles measure 1 inch by 8 threads per inch, or 1 1/4 inch by 8 threads per inch. When purchasing a chuck that doesn't match your lathe threading, consider using an adapter. Adapters allow you to easily connect most chucks to different sizes of headstock spindles. The jaws connect to the movable jaw slides and secure the workpiece to the chuck body. Jaws either screw to the jaw slides or snap in place. Fast to remove and secure in place, quick-release jaws are now favored by many turners. Removable jaws allow the turner to select the best jaws for their style of work. Internal gearing within the body moves the jaw slides and jaws simultaneously, keeping them equal distance from the center of the chuck body. The expanding and contracting jaws secure the workpieces to the chuck using internal or external pressure. Many variations of jaws exist to best secure the workpiece to the chuck. For example, on the inside and outside edges of the jaws, you'll find either a dovetail profile or serrated teeth for securing the workpiece to the chuck body. Both dovetail and serrated jaws have their advantages, leaving turners split on their preference of either style. Here, we concentrate on the serrated style jaw. To use jaws with the serrated profile on the outside edge, turn a round mortise into the bottom of the workpiece to fit over the exterior of the jaws. Expand the jaws to grip firmly inside the mortise. To use jaws with the serrated profile on the inside edge, turn a tenon on the bottom of the workpiece to fit into the interior of the jaws. Contract the jaws to grip the outside of the tenon. Study each style of jaw configuration to determine what works best for your work. Use this chart for a better idea of the type of chuck jaws needed for your particular style of turnings. Although many older chucks require a pair of levers to loosen or tighten the jaws, most models today come with a quicker and easier to use T-handle jaw tightening key. The key enables you to tighten the jaws with one hand, while your other hand remains free to support the workpiece. The size of the lathe and the size of the turning projects determine the model of chuck best suited for your needs. For turning small projects or drilling pen blanks, a small or medium chuck will suffice. To turn large platters and bowls, select a bigger lathe and chuck for proper support. Luckily, most small or medium chucks work to turn bowls in the 6 to 8 inch range. Now you're armed with the information you need to find the right chuck and jaws for your project. At Penn State Industries, you'll find a wide selection of high-performance chucks and jaws to fit your needs. Tap the link here to learn more.